Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I will be reviewing the Caudalie Premier Crew Anti-Aging Cream Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid. So let's first take a look at what this product is supposed to do. It's supposed to help improve dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness, as well as improve elasticity in the skin. Let's see what the key ingredients are and what they're supposed to do. The first ingredient is TET8, which is patented. This is supposed to be a revolutionary technology clinically shown to target 8 signs of aging. The next key ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and it's supposed to replenish moisture and hydrate for visibly plump skin. And the final key ingredient is instant tightening sugars from honey locust. This ingredient is supposed to tighten the skin in 3 minutes, and the result should last for up to 6 hours. I have a sample size of this product. It has a thick and creamy consistency. It feels very rich. Let's apply this moisturizer and then I'll give my overall rating. Because of my dry skin, I like to apply my moisturizers to damp skin. So I'm going to apply a facial mist. I'm using the Bioma Balancing Face Mist. I'm going to spray that on my skin before applying the moisturizer. So the directions say to warm a pea-sized amount in between your palms and then apply it to your forehead, cheeks, jaw, and neck, starting from the center of your face and massaging it outwards to the sides of the face. So this is my skin after applying the moisturizer, and I would say this is one of the richest moisturizers I've ever used. It feels very creamy and rich. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and it spreads very nicely on the skin, especially after warming it up in your hands before applying it. And I feel like it's locked in all of the serums and moisture that I applied on my face before applying this cream. I think this is a good cream to apply to your skin, especially for the nighttime. And if I have to rate it, I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5. I really like this cream. It feels very rich and moisturizing without feeling heavy and thick on the skin. The only reason I didn't give it a 5 out of 5 is because of the price. And I can actually see myself using this product as my nighttime moisturizer. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.